boiler service covers the total life cycle of a system, starting with professional commissioning and including regular maintenance services. You benefit from reliable and efficient operation of your system with a long service life. We analyze your existing boiler system for efficiency, reliability, emissions, and automation options, and offer you modular upgrade packages tailored to your system. Our boiler systems are designed for the highest efficiency, long service life, and reliability. However, if unforeseen problems should arise, we offer you immediate aid. For emergencies, we provide all our customers with a spare part hotline all year round. Our management processes your order reliably and quickly. Our qualified and certified boiler welders have the knowledge required to carry out repairs. Our service also includes preparing for and carrying out boiler inspections. Water quality check is an essential and critical process to ensure correct operation. Our team of Bosch experts can provide online support easily and cost-efficiently using the MEC remote tool. As a system user, you can also check all relevant plant data anytime, anywhere. For further information, please visit our website.